Okay guys, this is the first instalment of my nephew's PC build. So we're just going to go through some of the components that we've bought for it. First of all is the graphics card, which is a MSI Armour Radeon RX 570. Quite a reasonable card for the money. I'll just show you some of the spec. What we've got here. So, there we go. Down there, it's an 8 gig card. Reasonably good. Also got one of these in my son's PC and it performs quite well actually. So we'll just open the box. Let's have a look. There we go, that's the warranty card. This is the card itself, which is quite a hefty, quite a heavyweight card actually. It's got quite a large heatsink, 2 large fans. It's got, if you can get to look at the ports in there, there's a DVI port, HDMI port, and 3 display ports, so plenty of choice for the display monitors. Okay, so that's that. We'll get on to the next components that we've ordered for it in the next video.